In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Squarespace. We'll move from a simple Google search all the way into the Squarespace editor and finish by opening the options to add a content and memberships area to your site. Whether you're starting fresh or returning to an existing site, these clicks will get you exactly where you need to build and manage members-only content without getting lost in menus. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Squarespace. On the results page, click the link titled Squarespace Website Builder. Start your free website trial. That takes you straight to the official site so you can proceed with confidence. As a quick safety check, you should see a secure padlock in the address bar. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, look to the top right corner for the profile icon and click it. This opens your account controls. If you're prompted to sign in, use your existing credentials or create an account, then continue back to the profile menu. On mobile, the profile icon may be tucked behind a menu, but it's still in the upper area of the page. From that menu, choose Account Dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your command center. It lists your sites, domains, and products in one place. If you manage more than one site, pause here to confirm you're on the correct project before moving on. In the dashboard, find the section labeled Website and select it to open your site's workspace. Next, click Edit Site. The editor loads with a left sidebar and a live preview. The sidebar holds your pages and key settings, and the canvas shows changes as you make them. Within the Pages panel in that sidebar, click the plus symbol. The plus button is how you add something new, so it's the right place to start when you want to expand your site. If you use multiple navigation groups, choose the location that fits how visible you want this to be. From the options that appear, select Content and Memberships. This opens tools for members-only areas and exclusive content. You'll see guided prompts for naming, access, and visibility, so you can plan who gets in and what they see. It's the correct pathway to prepare gated experiences. And that's the flow from Google to the Squarespace editor. Search for Squarespace, enter through the official builder page, open the profile menu, choose Account Dashboard, select Website, click Edit Site, press the plus button, and pick Content and Memberships. Follow this path anytime you need quick access to your membership tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.